How you doing, ma'am?
All right.
I'm Officer Plessis, Hollywood Police Department.
How are you?
Good. You're Alexandra?
I am.
You were involved in a minor crash?
Very minor.
Okay. Do you have any, was there any mechanical issues with this car before the crash?
No, I had it completely fixed.
Okay. Do me a favor, can you stand up and follow me over here, please?
Sure.
Come right over here. Stand right here for me, please. Right there. Right here. Thank you. Can you face me? I want to talk to you. Yeah, you jacket all right?
As good as it's going to be.
Okay.
It's kind of fun.
There's two things going on here.
Of course.
Number one, you're involved in a minor crash. Number two, in the course of me speaking with you, there's an odor of alcohol coming off your breath. You're a little lethargic and your speech is lethargic, and you may or may not be driving impaired, so I'm here to do a criminal DUI investigation. You understand that? But before I begin, because you have what's called a traffic crash privilege, I need to read you your rights. You just got to listen. Do you understand? Okay. I've identified you by your Florida driver's license. Would you mind if I refer to you as Alexandra? Is that okay with you?
That's fine.
Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand that? Anything you say can be used against you in court. Do you understand that? Okay. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask any questions of you, and to have him with you during the questioning. Do you understand? Okay. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed before you before any questioning if you wish. Do you understand? If you decide to answer any questions without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to stop answering at any time. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand? Are you willing to talk to me about the traffic crash? Okay. What happened in the course of the crash?
I was driving. The light turned green.
Okay.
My friend has a cat, a stray cat, that I was willing to take home with me.
Okay.
I had the cat in my car, and I guess my window was... The cat decided to jump out of the window.
Okay, let me just understand this. You
Okay.
had a cat in the car.
I did.
A stray cat that you weren't familiar with yet.
Exactly.
How big was it? Was it a kitten or a...
No, it was a full cat. It was a full-size cat.
2 or 3 pounds, 5 pounds, 6 pounds?
No, 8 pounds.
8 pounds? Okay.
Exactly.
Was the cat in any type of a crate, or was it loose in the car?
No, it was loose, and that was probably my first problem.
Okay, was it on your lap and you're trying to console while you're driving?
I was, and it decided to jump out.
And it
startled me.
You're telling me that your driver's window was down?
It was, because I was trying to, maybe like the air would try to...
Okay.
Whatever.
So while you're driving and you got this cat in your lap and you're consoling it, all of a sudden it got panicked and leaped out of the window.
I swear, that's exactly what it did.
The car was moving when this occurred?
Yes.
How fast do you think you were going when that occurred?
The light just turned green, so I was probably going 30 miles an hour.
Okay. What did you do when the cat jumped out?
I stopped. I tried to get the cat.
How fast did you stop? I mean, did you like slam on the brakes instantly?
Probably, because I mean, I'm not that far off from the intersection. And I have bad luck, because a cop is right behind me and crashes right into me. And I mean, you could ask him. The cat jumps out of the window.
Did we find the
drives
cat?
Off. No, the cat is off.
The cat didn't get hit though. I mean, that we know of.
No.
Okay.
Which I'm okay with.
So let me get this straight. You're accelerating from a stop. And you got to about 30 miles an hour. Then you all of a sudden this cat jumped out. And you slammed on the brakes.
I do, because
So someone behind you who's also just starting to accelerate forward.
Probably,
there would be no reason why
they would think that
you're going to abruptly slam on the brakes.
Exactly. I'm
when
sure.
there's nothing large to anticipate.
It's horrible circumstances, sir.
Okay. All right. In the meantime, as we're having the course of this conversation, like I said, there's an odor of alcohol coming off your breath.
I agree.
Just because there's an odor does not mean you're impaired. That's why I'm here to do the rest of the investigation.
That's fine.
Your eyes are a little glassy and red a little bit. How much have you had to drink today? This goes under your Miranda.
I mean, all right. Tonight was Heroes, Monday night.
Okay.
There is a drinking game that we participate in.
Oh. What type of drinks are we talking about here?
It's just beer.
Beer shots or beer? Or?
Just beer.
So in the course of this evening,
I've only been drinking beer.
Okay.
And it's just bad circumstances.
Okay. Well, based on my observations,
yes,
and our conversation and your
I agree.
That I'm going to go out and ask you to perform 5 voluntary exercises to see if you may or may not be driving impaired.
All right.
The exercises are voluntary. You don't have to do them. However, if you were elected not to do them,
my license is suspended.
Let me finish.
All right.
If you elected not to do them, then you would be doing nothing to dispel my alarm that you weren't driving impaired. In other words, just because the odor is present and you have a few indicators does not mean that you actually are. So are you willing to do the 5 exercises to determine if you may or may not be?
I mean...
Is it yes, I will do them, or no, I won't? There's no head shrugging.
I mean, yes,
okay,
I will.
Okay, fair enough. Before we begin, do you wear contact lenses?
I do.
Okay. Do you presently have them in now?
I do.
Are they hard or soft?
They're soft.
Now, what's your, are you farsighted, nearsighted, stigmatism?
I'm farsighted.
Okay.
With a little bit of stigmatism.
Okay. Are you under any doctor's care for anything right now? For your hips, back, knees, any injuries such as that? Any workman's comp claims? Any workman's comp? Any disabilities?
No.
Nothing. Do you work for a living?
I do.
What do you do for a living?
Well, currently I work at a cafe grill in downtown Fort Lauderdale.
Okay, so you're a waitress. You're on your feet, you're moving around, you're mobile, you balance trays. Okay. So you've had no head injuries? Yes or no? Okay. All right, based on those, I'm going to go ahead and see if you'll do the voluntary exercises.
All right.
If you can do me a favor, stay right where you're at, but I need you to face me. Keep your feet together, just like that, and your hands at your side. Everything I do here is relaxed. I don't yell, I don't scream. I'll raise my voice a little because so you can hear me over the cars, but I talk pretty clear.
Okay.
If at any given time you don't understand what I said, meaning you didn't physically hear me, or you're not, can you do me a favor, can you spit the gum out? Just throw it over there. Just throw the toss over there, it's fine. If any given time you don't understand what I said, meaning you can't comprehend it, or didn't understand it, or didn't hear it, just let me know. I'll be happy to repeat it. I don't want you guessing as to what I want you to do. I want you to understand it, okay? The first exercise I'm going to have you do is I'm going to check your eyes. Basically, standing with your feet together, just like I said. Your hands are at your side, just relax. You see the tip of this pen? Can you touch it with any finger you want to acknowledge it's there? Reach out and touch it. Okay, thank you. When I say to begin, and not until I say to begin, let me check something. Your eyes are nice and dilated. Check it. Dilated. Very good. Okay. When I say to begin and not until I say to begin, I want you to follow the tip of the pen with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't move your head, don't move your torso, just your eyes. If the pen stops, your eyes stop. If the pen starts to move again, you continue to follow the pen until I instruct you to stop. Do you understand? Are you ready to begin? Alexander, your eyes are giving me some clear indications that you could be driving impaired. So I'm going to ask you to go ahead and commit to the other 4 remaining exercises. Are you willing to do so? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. I see that you're wearing sandals or flip-flops. What are the sandals?
Flip-flops.
Okay. I'm going to give you the option if you like of taking those off, or if you feel they will not hinder anything you're going to do here. Sometimes people don't like walking or doing anything in flip-flops because other than walking. So I'm going to give you the option if you want to remove them. If you do not feel that they're going to hinder what you're going to do, which is walking a line and standing, then you may leave them on. It's up to you.
It's fine.
Okay. Would you like me to take this and put it on the hood of my car for you? Well, you can't hold it, so I'll set it right there for you. Okay. First exercise I'm going to have you do is called the walk and turn. What I need you to do is stand right where you're at. I need you to put your left foot on that white line, your right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe, just like this, and just stand there. Touching heel to toe. When I say to begin, you're going to take 9 steps, keeping both feet on the white line, counting out loud 1 through 9. Okay? When you get to the 9th step, if you do it correctly, your left foot should be in the front. Okay. You're going to take 3 small steps, such as this. 1, 2, 3. Pivoting your left foot on the white line. The left foot never moves. Okay. When you turn around, you're going to take 9 steps, touching heel to toe. 1, 2, 3, and so forth, and you're going to wind up right back where you were, facing the opposite direction. Do you understand?
How many steps do I go for?
Right now, you're in the starting position. When I say begin, you're going to take 9 steps, counting out loud 1 through 9. The 9th step, your left should be in the front.
All right.
3 small steps with your left foot staying on the line, pivoting it, and taking 9 steps back. Do you understand?
Yes.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes.
Go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Is that 9?
I counted 9.
Okay. Communicating with you. I'm not a mind reader. Okay. Next exercise I want to have you do. Can you please stand right there again and face the car? There you go. This is called the one-leg stand. When I say to begin, and not until I say to begin, you're going to lift the leg of your choice, right or left.
Okay.
You determine it. You're going to lift it. I'm going to demonstrate for you. You're going to lift it about 6 inches off the ground, such as that, watching your foot. You're going to count out loud 1001, 1002, 1003, and so forth until I instruct you to stop. If at any time during the exercise you put your foot down, or you're going to lose your balance, just pick your foot back up and try to continue counting where you left off until I instruct you to stop.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Which leg would you like to lift?
The left.
You're going to lift your left and stand on your right? Okay, are you ready to begin? Ready?
Yes.
You may begin now. Okay, stop. I'm not here to get you hurt.
I guess.
I'm not here to
I'm a ballerina. This is like embarrassing.
Huh? You're a ballerina? How long have you been training?
Right there.
Hold on. How long have you been training in that?
Years.
Can you give me a number in years?
11.
So for 11 years you've been doing ballerina stuff. And you're pretty good at it, you think? So to be a ballerina requires a lot of muscle control, correct?
It does.
So you should be able to do anything I asked you with that much control, correct?
Yes.
Do you agree with me?
I do.
Okay.
I'm just letting you know, like, it's really bad luck if I can't.
It's bad luck if you can't? Okay, I can understand that. Or it could be an impairment issue if you can't. True? I mean, if you've been doing it for 11 years and you've got that muscle control of standing on your toes and all that silhouette and all that control, and all of a sudden today you have not as much control, then it simply could be an impairment issue. That's what I'm saying. All right, we're going to go on to something else because I'm not here to let you get hurt. That's not what I'm about.
I know.
Well, that's why I call. I'm not let you get hurt. That's not cool. Can you stand back there and face the car again? The next exercise I'll have you do is called the finger to nose. You need to watch it. I'm going to explain it. Everything's based on keeping your feet together and your hands at your side, relaxed. Everything I do is relaxed until I instruct you to do otherwise. If I say right, you're going to take the pointer finger on your right hand. Just watch. You're going to go straight out, straight forward, touch the tip of your nose, and put it back by your side. I will not tell you to put your arm back. If I say left, you go straight out, straight forward, touch the tip of your nose, put it back by your side. Now, during the exercise, your eyes must remain closed, and I'm going to fully demonstrate it, and your head tilted back slightly in a relaxed state like this. So if I say right, left, you understand? Your eyes must remain closed during the exercise, and your head slightly tilted back.
Okay.
Are you ready to begin? Left. Right? Left? Right? Right? And left. All right, put your hand down, open your eyes, get your composure. Okay? Final exercise. Once again, you're standing still like this, your feet together. I see you're wobbling a little bit. I won't let you fall over. You're starting to do one of those counter leaning tower deals. Don't worry, I won't let you fall. I promise that.
I'm fine.
Okay. This is called the Romberg balance. Easiest one out of all of them. You're going to stand with your feet together and your hands at your side. Your head closed, your eyes closed, and your head relaxed, just like this. I'm going to set my stopwatch for 30 seconds. When you think in your head 30 seconds have elapsed, then you're going to open your eyes and tell me now. So I'm comparing your internal clock with my actual watch. So, put your feet together.
Can I pick any leg I want?
No, you're not lifting anything.
Oh.
You're just standing just like this. Your arms are here, and your head's this. That's it. And I'm going to say, begin now. When your eyes close, when you think 30 seconds have gone by, you simply open your eyes and you tell me now. I'm comparing.
Okay.
Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure you understand it?
Promise.
Okay. Your eyes closed. You may begin now. You're telling me it is. I'm asking. You feel it 30 seconds?
I counted 35.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. All right, Alexandra. Based on the observations that I've seen, I feel you're driving impaired under the influence of an alcoholic beverage. Okay. Hold on. Relax. Relax. Under Florida law. Let me lock these. Hold on. I don't want them to get any tight. I don't want them to get tight on you. Hold on. there. Under Florida law, next to your license, next to your signature, it states operation of a motor vehicle constitutes consent to any sobriety test required by law. At this point, you've been placed on arrest for the misdemeanor offense of driving under the influence of an alcoholic beverage. I am making a lawful request that you provide a breath sample on a breathalyzer. You will comply with Florida law and provide that sample?
Yes, sir.
Can you stand right here? Walk right over here. All right, young lady. Have a seat.
Can I ask one question?
Sure.
My car.
We'll take care of it.
Can I?
Not drivable right now anyway, so.
Well, obviously, but my mother and brother are awake.
I mean, it's not drivable. In other words, even if they wanted to drive it, they can't get it anywhere. Okay?
Alright.
All right, young lady. Have a seat.
Can I ask one question?
Sure.
My car.
We'll take care of it.